How to make your Pinterest account private. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make your Pinterest account private, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to make your Pinterest account private, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to launch the Pinterest application here. Once you launch the Pinterest app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, you're going to come to your profile page, where what you need to do is just tap the three dots option from the top right hand side. Once you tap the three dots option, here you'll find settings, so just go to the settings option. Once you go to the settings option, over here you'll see this option known as privacy and data, so you want to make sure to tap the privacy and data option. Once you tap on privacy and data, over there you'll be able to find the option known as search privacy. So if you'd like to enable that, it isn't really making it completely private, but it will at least hide your data or your pins and your board from the search results on Google or any other search engine. So you want to make sure to turn on this toggle. And that's basically it on how you can private your Pinterest account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comments section. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.